Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. This is my series entitled The 20 Steps to Starting Nonprofits. This is step number 3. Describe the target group. Again, the third step in starting nonprofits is describe the target group. The target group describes the people you plan to serve using their educational level, income level, race, gender, and other pertinent demographics as the characteristics you would use to determine who's in your target group, the people you want to serve. For example, the nonprofit plans to target youth between the ages of 10 and 18 years old who live in economically distressed communities and are at risk of making poor decisions. This is an example of how you would describe a target group. And throughout the 20 steps to starting nonprofits, I'm going to refer back to the original definition of the problem. And the definition of the problem in step 1 was youth are committing more crimes in the community. There's a surge in crime that's perpetuated by youth in the community. So throughout all of the 20 steps, I'm going to keep referencing back to the problem that we identified in step 1. And that's what you should do. When you are thinking about starting a nonprofit organization, always keep your focus on the definition of the problem so that throughout the 20 steps, you're always referencing back to that. So that is why in step 3, we describe the demographics of the people we want to serve. We want to serve youth. That's what we want to serve. We want to solve the problem of the increase of youth violence. But before you can do that, you must clearly define the target group. So the target group, again, includes youth who are between the ages of 10 and 18 years old. And they live in economically distressed communities, and they are at risk of making poor decisions. One more thing about target demographics. When you describe your target demographics or your target group, people should be able to see them in your mind. They should be able to visualize exactly who you're talking about based on this description. If you want to learn more about identifying or describing your target group, I invite you to enroll in the Starting Nonprofits Basic Fundamentals course. It has audio guided content just like what I'm sharing now, video simulations, hands-on practice activities, knowledge checks, and a graded project at the end that I will grade. Go to my website, which is trustsusanwoods.com, click on courses from the menu, and scroll down and click on Starting Nonprofits and enroll in the class so that you can learn more about the 20 steps to starting nonprofit organizations. Thank you for your time and have a great day.